Us at the Punjab Investment Conference. It is a pleasure to speak to you. I would like to share some reflections on the delegation's visit so far and the future vision for Punjab. But first, I would want to mention that the warmth and hospitality extended by the Chinese government, the Chinese leadership, have been a true reflection of the strong bond and shared commitment to progress between our nations. It is a strong desire to strengthen Pakistan-China all-weather strategic cooperative partnership. The visit, as my first official foreign destination, is a practical demonstration of the significance my government and I accord to strengthening ties with China. It is indeed a great honor, a great privilege, and an absolute pleasure to witness firsthand China's mesmerizing success and meteoric ascent. China has offered novel and unique models for the world to study and ponder upon. Socialism with Chinese characteristics as its political philosophy, its political centralization that sets strategic directions, and economic decentralization that implements it as a governance structure. President Xi Jinping's shared destiny, shared prosperity as its core human philosophy that transcends borders. The Chinese nation are winning the hearts and minds not by flexing its military muscle, but by lending a hand to the world, to the humanity at large. I would like to pay my homage to President Xi for his extraordinary vision, his statesmanship, and his remarkable achievements, and also to the Chinese nation and the Chinese people for choosing harmony over conflict, for their deference to their hierarchy, and their astounding hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past few days, I've had the privilege of engaging with the Chinese leadership and also with the business executives of some of the most innovative companies in sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, education, financial, automobiles, IT, AI, machine learning, e-commerce, semiconductors, robotics, and not just in the country, but the world. Enterprises in Punjab can gain immensely by fostering partnerships between these leading China-based companies. I have come to China with an invitation that includes special incentives and possibilities for Chinese businessmen to invest in Punjab. We have already been overwhelmed with the response and are progressing discussions with some of these companies even before the visit is over. My visit here will set the foundation for aggressive investment in Punjab and possible joint ventures with Punjab-based enterprises. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a turning point for Punjab and for Pakistan. The Punjab Investment Conference is set to be a major milestone, showcasing the province's potential and announcing key collaborations across sectors. Punjab's potential as a destination for international investment has been highlighted today. We have invited Chinese businessmen, Chinese businesses to explore opportunities in our special economic zones, focusing on a range of sectors. Punjab's strategic locations, clear comparative advantage, skilled workforce, and business policy reforms make it an ideal place for global businesses to thrive and succeed. The interest shown by our Chinese brothers, our Chinese investors, demonstrates their confidence in Punjab's growth and our shared vision for a brighter future and shared prosperity. Our focus on sustainable development can be strengthened through partnerships with China. The collaborations will help us adopt better strategies to manage and reduce air pollution, benefiting from China's success in environmental sustainability. China's remarkable success in combating air pollution, particularly in Beijing, is a global model for environmental management. The innovative policies and technologies implemented under Chinese leadership are commendable, and following China's example, Punjab can take significant steps toward ensuring cleaner air, a healthier future, and China's philosophy of ecological civilization. We have requested the leadership of China to help us develop an advanced air quality management system, including monitoring networks, real-time data analytics capabilities for Punjab. Furthermore, we have requested training programs for government officials in environmental legislation, policy formulation, and enforcement mechanisms. China's leadership at COP29 in Baku, Azerbaijan, and its advocacy for developing countries stood out, and we hope that developed nations would deliver on the new collective quantified goal to address the financing needs of the developing countries. Ladies and gentlemen, the transformative impact of the China-Pakistan economic corridor on Pakistan's socio-economic landscape can't be overemphasized. We reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to promoting high-quality development under CPEC 2.0 with a particular focus on renewable energy projects to build a China-Pakistan green corridor. Government of Punjab is committed to fostering partnerships with China in environmental policy formulation, adoption of clean technologies, and the execution of green initiatives. We have met with companies that are looking to invest in the modernization of our agriculture sector. This is a great example of how technology and investment can improve traditional industry and boost economic growth. In healthcare, the visit has led to possible partnerships that will bring advanced medical technologies to Pakistan. These innovations will improve cancer treatment and healthcare services, making Punjab a leader in medical progress. Observing modern practices in Chinese hospitals has further reinforced my commitment to upgrading Punjab's healthcare system business processes and making quality care accessible to more people at a cheaper cost. Renewable energy remains a top priority for us. Plans to establish a solar panel manufacturing plant in Punjab will reduce reliance on traditional energy sources and provide sustainable energy options, especially for rural communities. And by working with Chinese partners, we are advancing our efforts to make clean energy more affordable and accessible, because that is the way forward. Cultural exchanges have also played an important role during this visit. Events celebrating the shared heritage and innovative spirit of Punjab and China have deepened mutual understanding and respect. These interactions go beyond economic ties, creating lasting connections between our regions. Pak-China Cultural Connect at Shanghai was a productive step in that direction. In conclusion, I extend my sincere gratitude to the government and people of China for their generosity, for their hospitality, and for their support. Together, we will seize opportunities and work towards success. These partnerships will create new economic opportunities and ensure sustainable progress for our province. We remain committed to using these alliances to improve the lives of our people and build a better future. Punjab is open for business, and we welcome you to be a partner in the shared prosperity of our people. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.